Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a VPN on iPhone using NordVPN step by step clearly. To install NordVPN on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store. In the search bar, type NordVPN and tap search. Locate the NordVPN app in the search results and tap on it. Once the app page opens, press the Get button to begin downloading. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize the download. After the app downloads, tap Open to launch NordVPN. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap Login. Enter your email and password, then tap Login. If you do not have an account yet, tap Sign up to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a plan and complete your subscription. Once you are logged in, allow NordVPN to send you notifications if prompted. To configure the VPN, go to Settings in the app. You may need to allow NordVPN to create a VPN configuration. Tap Allow when prompted. This will lead you to the iPhone settings. In the settings, tap VPN to see your VPN configurations. Return to the NordVPN app. Select a server from the list or use the Quick Connect button. Once you have chosen a server, tap the Connect button. The app will initiate the connection process. A notification will indicate when you are successfully connected. To verify your connection, check the VPN icon in the status bar of your iPhone. To disconnect, go back to the NordVPN app and tap the Disconnect button. You now have NordVPN installed and running on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.